Hi, Mabel. So we're going to the vet. She's got a little thing on her eye, the one on the left. Mabel, are you looking at me?
Wait, who's left?
That one right there. So we're gonna go see the vet. He opens at 11 o'clock. We're gonna go see, right? Get some advice. Poor Mabel. And good sit. Everybody's doing a good sit. Okay, let's go. So scooted off to the vet. Is it there? It's not bad. To get her gland poked back in, basically. I guess it's called cherry eye or something. And she has drops for an eye infection of some sort. And we came home, so I didn't film it. I wanted to, but with all the kids, we had an actual van full. And came home, everything's great. Half an hour later, boop, pops right back out. Not joking, vet's already closed, it's a Sunday. Called another vet, didn't no answer, it's a Sunday. So Googled it and popped it back in myself. It's not as bad as you think, but it's not that great either. Can't say it's that great. So don't know what's gonna happen with that, hopefully. She does not need surgery. She has drops to take 3 times a day, 1 in each eye, and we'll see how that goes. She's sleeping. They had a big lunch. Oh, we also weighed them. Exciting news. So she is 10.1 kg, so she's gained a kilo, which is a lot, I think. And guess who else is 10.1 kgs? Mr. Churchill over there. And he is 10 days older, and she weighs the same as he does. So I talked with the breeder, and the breeder's like, don't worry about it. Puppies are supposed to be fat, and then they lean out afterwards. You just sleeping it off, buddy? Yeah. So we go back to the vet on Wednesday, and I ordered some, I forget the name of it now, New Pro something dog supplements. I got the gold, which I guess is like regular supplements, and also the joint ones like glucosamine and stuff, which can help with ligaments, which can help with her eye. So all that is now coming from Amazon. It arrives in New York on Tuesday, and we will see. It'll be about, they can ship it Wednesday, and it'll take at least 8 days to get here, if not the following week. So either 8 or 15 days to get here. But we might be lucky. So they came home, had lunch, and they've been sleeping in the backyard. So there's Churchill. And there's Miss Mabes. I gotta wake him up soon. They gotta do some running around before dark. You have to do some running around, girl. Anyway, that is the eye that I have to poke back in sometimes. It's kind of weird, but it works. Not that much fun. But there's worse things. So that was our Sunday. I guess I'll let him sleep for like half an hour and then wake him up. Time to do the rounds.